Okay, let's try it. Plug it in. Let's measure the DC output, and it's 280 plus volt DC.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette.
Okay, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to demonstrate how to use another type of backlight driver, which is smaller, cheaper, but more powerful if you compare it to my last video about backlight driver. So if you compare it to the big one, it's about 1/3 smaller than the big one. But before I'm going to show you the output voltage of this small backlight driver, I'm going to show you how to put a relay on it so that you can control it on and off. So that's the parts: a 12 volts relay, a multi-purpose NPN transistor, a 1K resistor, and a one ordinary diode or rectifier diode. You can use a super sticky double-sided tape. Okay, we are almost done. Lastly, we connect a 1K resistor to the base of the transistor. You can use 1K if you trigger the transistor by backlight on or trigger on of the TV that you are repairing. But if you are going to use the 12 volts BCC in of the LCD panel as a trigger to the transistor, you can use a 10K resistor. Don't connect the BL on directly to the transistor or the BCC in of the LCD panel to the transistor. It might damage the transistor. So use a resistor. It depends on the TV you are working on. To trigger the transistor, you only need 0.5 or 0.6 to trigger on the transistor. So 1K is enough if you're using the backlight on from the main board, and 10K if you're using the BCC 12 volts of the LCD panel. So this is now the finished product. The orange wire, you can connect it to AC line. The black wire is cold ground. The red wire is 12 volts DC, and you can connect a wire to the resistor going to backlight on. Okay, we're going to test it. Okay, this is a backlight strip, LED backlight strip from an Edge LED TV. First, we're going to test it with our backlight tester. Okay, the voltage is 256 volt DC. Okay, this is a power supply board from LCD TV, and we're going to connect the AC input of our backlight driver to the AC line of the bridge rectifier diode. So I'm going to solder it. The AC line is the AC line of the bridge rectifier diode is pin 2 and pin 3. So we're going to solder the input of the backlight driver. And we're going to connect now the LED strip to the output of the backlight driver. Okay, let's try it. Plug in. Let's measure the voltage. It's about 284 280 volts DC. The input is 225 volts AC. So as you can see, the LED strip glows very bright. So if you haven't subscribed yet to my YouTube channel, please subscribe. And if you found my video informative, please give it a thumbs up. And if you think my video is helpful to others, you can share it. It's free. The backlight strip now is very hot, that's why I turn it off, but the backlight driver is okay. It has in normal temperature. This is the diagram of how to put a relay on this type of backlight driver. Okay, see you in my next video. Thank you for watching.
I'm walking alone.